Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to install macOS Sequoia 15.2 on the MacBook Pro or MacBook Air M Series. The update process also applies to compatible iMacs or Mac Minis. Before updating or upgrading, back up your Mac in advance or clone your internal drive to an external one to avoid any potential data loss. To update your macOS, click System Settings in the dock, then General, Software Update, and More Info. macOS Sequoia 15.2 is around 3.63 GB on my MacBook Pro M1. To view the info in larger text and get more detailed information about this update, please access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Once you are sure you want to update, click Update Now. Next, agree to the terms, enter your admin password, and click OK to install. The installation has started, but it will take some time. I'll pause recording the video and resume when the installation is complete. I will also let you know if I encounter any problems during the installation.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
The installation of macOS Sequoia version 15.2 is now complete. It took approximately 30 minutes on the MacBook Pro M1. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times throughout the installation, including one black screen that lasted approximately 10 seconds. Once your Mac restarts, you will be asked to enter the password for your Apple ID. On the next screen, check the box for Share Mac Analytics with Apple or leave it unchecked. Finally, you will see the Welcome screen. Click Continue to enjoy using macOS Sequoia 15.2 and its new features. I didn't encounter any issues during the installation process, and I can now run macOS Sequoia 15.2 on my M1 MacBook Pro. If you haven't installed macOS Sequoia on your compatible Mac yet, I recommend performing a clean installation to avoid annoying issues in the future. Watch this video to learn how to do a clean installation. You can access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.